Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and for that you want to go to your drop down menu and then you have auto rotate here and it's off right now. So when we go to our Play Store, for example, and we turn our screen sideways, then nothing shift sideways with it, and when we go back and turn that on, we see that our screen shifts sideways. This is especially useful if you're like watching videos and stuff and you want to enjoy like a full screen vision. Then it's nice to just have like your phone like this and have your video playing over the whole screen here. To turn that back on, let's say you're viewing something and you don't want just your screen to turn, then you can just click on it again and then it's off. So that's how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.